Welcome to the AngularJS training videos. In this video, I am going to explain about some of the basic term or terminologies in our AngularJS, and I will explain some basic example in AngularJS, example program in AngularJS. So first of all, in AngularJS extend the HTML with ng-directives. So in our AngularJS, we have so many directives are there. First one is the ng-app directive. ng-app directive defines an AngularJS application. ng-model directive binds the value of HTML controls like input, select, text area to application data. And the third one is ng-bind directive. ng-bind directive binds the application data to the HTML view. So we have the three. First of all, these are the simple directives. So these are the introduction directives. So in this, remember these words: ng-app directive, ng-model directive, and ng-bind directive. So AngularJS extend the HTML attributes with the directives and binds the data to HTML with expressions. AngularJS is a JavaScript framework. It is a library written in JavaScript. AngularJS extend the HTML with ng directives. So finally, what is the thing is AngularJS is written from the JavaScript. It is the JavaScript framework, and it has some directives. So first of all, ng-app directive is used to initiate the, so defines the, and this is the AngularJS application. So second one is the ng-model directive binds the value of HTML controls data to the, for example, if you are entering the, in your HTML page, you have the one text box. So if you want to integrate that text box into the AngularJS, at that time you are using the ng-model directives. So ng-model directive binds the value of HTML controls. So finally, ng-bind directive binds the application data to the HTML view. What is the meaning of this one is, if you are for example in your HTML page, you have the one text box is there. If you are entering the some data in the text box, at the time that the data, if you are entering time also, you are entering the data into the text box, at that time, at the same time, the data is reflected on the your HTML page. So for that purpose, we are using the ng-bind directive. These are the basic directives in our AngularJS application. Okay, so now I am going for the one example program. So for that purpose, I am taking the one HTML document here. So I am using the Notepad++ editor. So HTML, doc type is HTML. This is the HTML5 perspective. We are starting the HTML document like this. Start of HTML and end of HTML. In the body, sorry, in the I am not declared the head section here. So no need to for that one. If you want to add a section, use the head tag. So in the head section, I am using the installing the or using the AngularJS framework. So script src equals to, so Google CDN. So I will close the script tag. After that, in the body, in the one development is there. Within the development, we input something in the input text. So please enter your name. Okay. So after the second paragraph element, name, input type equals to text, paragraph is closed. After that, P your name is within the span element. I want my name. So first of all, observe this page. So name, I am entering my name here. So my name is not reflected here. Now using the AngularJS, I want to, if I want at the entering time, I want appear your name must be appeared here. Okay. So for that purpose, so first of all, use the ng-app directory to define the AngularJS application. In the div, use the ng-app. So in the text control, use the ng-model directive. So give some name to that directive. So here in the div, this is the AngularJS application. In the text control, you are using the ng model. What is the use of ng model directive? So ng model directive binds the value of the HTML controls to the application data. After that, so ng bind directive binds the application data to the HTML view. Here, my model name is Vikings. So here, ng bind value is Vikings. Give your name Vikings, Vikings. So now observe the output of this program. So observe the output. At the time entering time also, at the entering time, the data is reflected in our HTML page. Like this way, we are coding the AngularJS. So finally, within the div, what is the meaning of ng-app? It is the initiating this is the AngularJS application. After that, in the control, input type equals to text control, we are using the ng model. That model name is Vikings. Give your name, give according to your requirement, give your model name. Okay. After that, in the span, one name is in the span tag, I using the bind value is Vikings. Thanks for listening. Actually, my English is not good. Please don't eat.